Hello, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Welcome to What We Thought.
I know I've been gone a long time, but I really do exist. It's just that, as you have heard, have a beautiful grandson, and it's always like, do I stay home and make videos with Kevin, or do I go see my grandson? That's a no-brainer. But anyway, we couldn't resist to do this video.
Okay, so a company called Grete Gotye reached out. They're hummingbird feeders. And they sent us this hummingbird feeder, and let me just take it out of the box here.
Who can resist a hummingbird,
feeder?
I mean, everybody loves hummingbirds, right?
Yeah, we don't have as many as we'd like to have back here, but we do have them. And so here's taking it out of the box. Yep, there it is. Nice red color. And no, it doesn't just pop right out of the box. It comes with styrofoam wrapped around it, put together, and it's very well packed. So yeah, I love the red color for same as like the nectar. We have some red flowers around here. They love the sunflowers. So.
And the nice thing is they said they would let us give one away.
That's right. They said they would allow one winner for the Grete Gotye Hummingbird Feeder. That's the box. That's the feeder. And we'll tell you in a little bit what you got to leave a comment saying, and then we'll pick one winner in about a week, and then they will ship you one. How's that? Grete Gotye is so kind that they're going to go ahead and give one of our subscribers or one of our viewers a hummingbird feeder. All right, let's go fill it up. We'll hang it up and we'll try to catch some hummingbirds in it. Well,
we won't catch them. Well, hopefully we'll feed them.
We'll catch them in the act. We won't catch them
in the act. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you in a second.
Thank you.
I just hung this up, but I just wanted to mention, so they say to only put about halfway when you fill these up. And you know, halfway is actually holds 1 cup, and that's 4 parts water, 1 part sugar. So I usually do 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar whenever I fill up my feeder. And what I like about this is the depth of this right here, because you know, this is metal, this is plastic, this is glass, and it's a beautiful color. But you know, when the hummingbirds come up here into the flower, you know, their tongue goes down in here, and they've got long tongues. So their tongues come down in here, and it's deep enough where I think they'll get a really good drink. It's pretty nice, huh?
Okay, there we are. Here's the feeder up here. And if you're interested in one of these feeders for the giveaway, we need you to say hummingbird feeder in the comments below. And if you don't want to wait to win one, I'll put a link below so that you can just go ahead and purchase one.
Okay, and as you can see, this hummingbird feeder really does attract the hummingbirds. This year we haven't had too many. We've only had, you know, 2 or 3 or 4, but today, since we put up this hummingbird feeder, we seem to have accumulated a couple of more hummingbirds. So this is fantastic. All right, I'll be quiet now. You can enjoy watching some hummingbirds feed for a second, and we'll be right back.
See, hummingbirds do love this.
Yes, they do.
Yep. Okay. Well,
can't wait to see who the winner is.
Yeah. Thank you for checking this out.
Thank you for watching.
And come back in about a week and we'll do the drawing.
Sounds good. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good day.